Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can change the background and also the lighting on Dress to Impress. So it's just going to change your point of view. So here, as you can see, there's a button on the bottom. You're just going to select it. So the first one is screen. It's going to change the background of the drop. I don't know what it's called. The backdrop. And then if you want to change the lighting color, just go and press this arrow. And there's this point light one where you can change the colors of the point light here. There's also the surface light. It doesn't change that much. But as you can see, if you want it to be pink, you can absolutely do that. Because a little bit too much pink. But that's pretty much how you can change the point light on Dress to Impress. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.